In this video on Power BI, I will show you how to install Power BI Desktop on your computer. We'll highlight the different tools available for data analysis. We'll show you how to import data into Power BI Desktop and conclude with a demo of a sales dashboard report which I created using Power BI. Google Power BI Desktop. First result is a link to the website of Microsoft. Download Power BI Desktop. We can download the setup file of Power BI Desktop from this web page. Click on Download. Here we have two versions of the setup file. One is 32-bit version and the second is 64-bit version of the Power BI Desktop. I am using the 64-bit version of Windows 10. If you don't know the version of your operating system, right-click on this PC, Properties, System Type, 64-bit operating system. I will select the 64-bit version. Download. The download is complete. Let's open the downloads folder. To start installation, double-click on the setup file. Next. Next. Mark this checkbox. Next. Next. Install. We'll unmark this checkbox. Finish. So I have installed Power BI Desktop on my computer. Here is the shortcut for launching Power BI. And this is the home screen of Power BI Desktop. Let's check the options here. Select a data source or start with a blank report. To create a fresh Power BI report, click on this icon called blank report. But if you want to import data from a specific data source, click on the corresponding icon. One like Data Hub, Excel Workbook, SQL Server. For more data sources, click on Get Data from Other Sources. And if you want to open Power BI files stored on your computer, click on Open. I will start with a blank report. This is the user interface of Power BI Desktop. In the top portion, we have the Power BI ribbon. Different tools of the Power BI Desktop are arranged in different tabs called File, Home, Insert, Modeling, View, Optimize, and Help. Like any other Office product, frequently used tools are arranged in the Home tab. On the left sidebar, we have 4 buttons. First one is Report View. This is the report view of Power BI. This portion is used to create visualizations with the help of charts, graphs, and text boxes. Second one is Table View. Data imported into Power BI is stored as tables. The Table View option can be used to view and edit that data. Third one is Model View. This option is used to connect tables in Power BI. We can build and review relationships between tables using Model View. Fourth one is DAX Query View. This is relatively a new option and only available in Power BI versions after December 2023. If you want to check the version of your Power BI, go to the Help tab, About, September 2024. On the right side, Power BI Desktop has 3 panels: Filters, Visualizations, Data. The Data panel displays the columns of fields from our dataset. The Visualization panel provides a list of different visual types such as bar charts, line charts, and maps. We can drag and drop fields from our datasets onto the visualizations to populate them with data. The next one is Filters. This option allows us to apply filters on the data based on specific criteria. Back to Home tab. Let's check the first option in this group called Data. Get Data, Common Data Sources. See, the most commonly used data sources to import data into Power BI are listed here: Excel Workbook, SQL Server, Text or CSV. To see more data sources, More. See, we can import data into Power BI from these many data sources. The next important tool on Home tab is Transform Data. This will open the Power Query Editor, which provides a wide range of tools for cleaning, reshaping, and transforming the data to suit your reporting needs. Now about importing data into Power BI. Here we have the 1 year sales data of a company that sells electronic gadgets all over India. Now let's import this data into Power BI. Get data, Excel workbook. Select the Excel file containing data. Open. Data is the name of the worksheet in our Excel file. I will select the sheet name. On the right side, we have the preview of the data present in the selected sheet. And when we move down, we have two major options here. One is load and the other one is transform data. To load this data directly into Power BI, click on load. But if you want to perform some sort of cleaning operations on this data, click on transform data. This will open up the Power Query editor. In this case, I will directly load data into Power BI. Load. Our sales data is imported into Power BI. On the data pane, we can see the column headers of our sales data. To see the imported data, click on Table View. A total of 1560 records. Now about the sales dashboard which I prepared using this data. To open the Power BI file, go to the File tab. Open. Browse this device. Select the Power BI file. Open. This dashboard was prepared from the same sales data which you saw a moment before. These buttons are slicers which will help us to filter the report. Let me click on February. Every visual got updated and displays the data corresponding to the month of February. Let's add the data from June, October. Sales happened in the month of February, June and October. To filter the report category wise, I will use this pie chart. And we have the sales data corresponding to the category laptop.
I have a video on the step-by-step process of creating this dashboard, and the link for the same is shared in the video description. See you soon with another Power BI tip. Until then, keep watching, keep learning. Wish you a great day.